Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Islay here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hey girl, hey. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something differently. I'm going to be recreating one of my old makeup looks. So the look that I'm going to be doing is this one from a few years ago. So yeah, we're going to see. Okay, so I'm going to be priming my lids. I'm starting off with Makeup Forever concealer. This is okay, so I took a burgundy and a brown. Okay, so I went in with the burgundy first. So okay, so I'm taking this shade here, which is called Oh Hello. So I'm just gonna be pressing this color into my lid to build up that eyeshadow. Going in with the Nikita palette. This is also from Morphe. Looks like this. So I'm gonna be taking this brown and applying it to my crease as well. And I'm taking this same fluffy brush. Okay, that don't look too bad. I thought it was gonna look horrible. But okay, we're gonna keep building this color up though, because it's not giving what it's supposed to give. What? Brown on top of what? What was I thinking? Clearly I wasn't. I honestly don't know where I was going with this, but we're gonna try our best to make it look like something. Okay, that's, yeah. Okay, so now, so we're just gonna be cutting the crease. So I'm gonna make in with the Makeup Forever concealer, and I'm just gonna be cutting my crease. Taking this flat brush. I also tamed this brush. I put, I got this technique from a YouTuber herself. She took some eyelash glue and, you know, applied it to her brush and then shaped it how she wanted it and then trimmed the top of it to get that flat perfect round cut crease. But yeah, looks like this. Okay, got that out the way. Now let me see. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going in with the green, a shimmer green. Okay, so I don't have any shimmer green eyeshadow anymore, but I do have, I was gonna use this as a replacement. Yeah. Okay, so I am gonna set it with some green eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go in with the chunky glitter. So now I'm just taking some eyelash glue, and I'm gonna be placing this on my lid for my chunky glitter. Okay, so I took a white liquid liner, and Okay, so I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. So now I'm just taking my Real Technique sponge and I'm okay, yeah. So I set my face before I did my bronzer and stuff. So I'm gonna be setting my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Pressing this into my skin. We don't bake unless we have to. So I am going to be letting this setting powder sit on my nose for a little bit while I contour and bronze my face up a little bit. I don't know if I like LA Pro Concealer anymore. Like, I can still see the bags under my eyes. Hate it so bad. Okay, so back then I wasn't overlining my lips, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm still going to overline it, but not too much. So, okay, so I went in with a nude matte lip. So the nude matte lip that I'm going with today is from NYX Lingerie. This is in the shade Cheekies. One of my faves. Trying to see if I threw on a gloss or just left like this. I kind of want a gloss. Okay, yeah, so I threw on a gloss. So I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss, of course, in the shade Fortune Cookie. Clear. And of course I got to go in with a clear gloss because it just wouldn't be right if I didn't. Of course. Okay, so I went ahead and did mascara, and I believe that was the finishing touches for this video because y'all know I don't wear falsies, so yeah. So I'm taking my Better Than Sex mascara. So that sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to be a part of the Aisha Slay gang. And hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.